What's up, guys? I hit 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. I want to say yesterday, like around midnight or in the morning time sometime. I just wanted to say thank you to all the guys to everybody who's watching and subscribing and sharing and commenting and leaving positive feedback on my channel, on my videos. It doesn't go unnoticed. Thank you guys so much. I also got a video that hit 1 million views. And 1 million views and counting right now because it keeps going up. Thank you guys again for that too. I mean, that's pretty crazy. That's crazy. I would have never thought that, like, ever. I would have never thought that I would have hit 1 million views. But it did. And I'm really thankful for that. I'm really thankful for all you guys that keep coming in and showing the support, showing the love. Thank you guys so much. This is the video, guys. 1,001,787 views, 3,000 subscribers. And the views keep going up. I'm just really grateful, like I've been saying, I've never thought that this would have got so big, you know what I mean? Yeah, just thank you for everything, for the comments, the subscribing, everything. Just stay tuned, guys, and I promise I have more stuff coming for you guys soon. And bear with me. But yeah, thank you guys. These are the comments. Just thank you guys. Thank all you guys. Jose Alejo. It's in Spanish, but he's saying good job and all of that. One Badass RX7. Thank you. This was a really nice comment. I really appreciated this. The one up top as well. All of them. This one, Super. I think that's Axmed. I don't know how to say that if I'm saying your name right. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Jose Altamaria. Everybody showing the love, showing the support. Very nice. From Iran. That's crazy. It's like everybody from around the world is watching it. Yeah, just thank you guys. Means a lot. And of course there's a lot of negative comments on here as well, but they don't even matter. Like, whatever. I'm just really grateful for all the people who have something nice, something positive to say, something constructive. It's not just a bunch of hate and Massive Adventures. Tim Morris for keeping up. Thank you so much. One Nítido. Yeah, man, just thank you guys. Look at this guy. I don't lie to you guys, man. The freaking internet is a crazy place. That's all he had to say. Héctor René Robas Díaz, thank you. Gracias. Toda la raza que apoya, que deja comentarios positivos, constructivos, por todo. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Mariana M. Everybody. It means a lot. Saint Kasab. I mean, I can go on with all of the people who have been leaving positive feedback. Jorge Lopez. Jay Ramos, thank you. All of you guys. Means a lot. Snid 7. Mike for a constructive comment. Charlie Duncan, thank you. Dan of all trades. Catan View. I can keep going on, like, thank you guys. Luca Borghetti. Andrew Garcia. Rob Hart. Samar Blue. Ricky Gray. All of you guys, man. I mean, I keep up with all of this stuff, and it means a lot to all the people who have something positive to say. I appreciate it so much. Swellington Silva. Swellington V. Silva. I don't know how to say that. Sorry. Vanderlei Moraes. Brian Swenson. Leo Biker. Alpha Heston. Thank you guys, man. Like I see all of this stuff. I also want to thank my wife. She recorded my first video with her phone because my laptop was tripping and I didn't know what I was doing at the time, and she just, the whole video, it was a long video, recorded it with her phone and propped her phone up and just held it down. But just thanking everybody, all my friends who share my videos on social media. Jesus, Jafet, Beto, Aldo, Manuel, everybody. My brother-in-law for helping me with the design when I first started this. I had the idea in my head and he helped me kind of like tweak it and make it a little bit better, and we drew it all on a napkin. I still have a napkin, you know. It's just my brother-in-law Cheque, my brother-in-law Brian for sharing my shit. Everybody. My suegros, everybody for helping me share and make it grow. My brother Miguel, my brother Brian, my sister Melissa for buying me the GoPro 7, and yeah, just giving me something to something better to record with, to just make and grow the channel. Yeah, man, just everybody. My dad for watching constantly and always telling me to keep updating and just keep going, and everybody, all the support. But yeah, let's just see where it goes, and thank you guys. Just got a card today that I'm gonna replace the bedside on it. I'll probably have that recorded for you guys, edit it, chop it up, and just give you guys a video, give you some content. Here's something that I got in. Replacing the bedside, repairing the cap corner, the what is this, rear door, the front door. But stay tuned, guys, and I'll have that video ready for you guys soon. I just gotta wait on parts and all of that, and I'll chop it up, edit it, and yeah, I'll have it up for you guys. I'll post it up.